I made a strange pet, and its powers are running fast, disappearing, and changing color, blending in with other colors. And it can also fly. It's really fast. Then when they hear something and they look behind, it quickly moves away. Its special power is rainbow power, and its rainbow power makes everything flash, and when it doesn't have rain or sun, it makes the sky into a rainbow. So all the creatures can look at it and never eat it. I make a strange pet, and it have legs. His legs can stick on the table stuck, so he can't fall down. It can fly long distance. It's a flying squirrel. I made a strange pet. It can stand in snow. It can make the sky orange with its eyes. I made a shark. It can go in lava and without being dead, and it can breathe in anywhere.